Check. All right, I think we are back online. Okay, so last week I was not able to go on this trading view. There's some, yeah, there's some bug. I wasn't able to do a live over here, so I used my YouTube to actually have my analysis posted up there. So yeah, if you have not seen, you can actually refer to my YouTube channel. It is actually on there. Yep. Okay. Anyway, without further ado, let's continue on to what we will be expecting in terms of the forex calendar for next week. So keep in mind that you do have a this RBA speaking at about 11 a.m. Singapore time. Okay. Other than that, yeah, you have some news coming out from the US later part of the day, and then after which on Wednesday itself, yeah, CPI again for the Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar should be a pair that you might want to take a look and trade upon it next week, and also New Zealand dollar. So New Zealand dollar wise, there's this cash rate on Wednesday itself. Okay, so that is monetary policy for the New Zealand side. Then US side, we do have another this GDP data coming out from the US at 9:30. Then if you're yep on Thursday itself, if you're trading Aussie dollar, or let's say New Zealand dollar, then yeah, you might also want to take note. Or even if you are trading on yuan, then yeah, need to take note of this 9:30 a.m. news on PMI. So this PMI, it could I mean it will affect the stock market, and then also yeah, in terms of Australian and I mean Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar, it will be affected by the Chinese data, or even sometimes actually quite often it's also affected by the how the index the index actually move in the China side. Okay, then Friday, last but not least, we have some employment rate and ISM manufacturing PMI from Canada, and also US side. Okay, then Saturday I think Powell will be speaking, but it won't be moving the market, but maybe it will cause some spillover effect onto Monday itself. Okay, so yeah, if you are considering holding your position over the next weekend, then yeah, probably you might also want to take note of this Powell speaking. I think what he will be speaking about. Uh, some economy mobility, yeah, but anyway, I'm not so concerned about what he speaks, but yeah, if you do have position, I do. Well, I mean, I will be mindful to like, yep, maybe taper off, or even just close off my position before that. Okay, so moving out from this. Give me 1 minute. Yep, I am sharing the US dollar chart. So if you can take a look back, I mean for oh, yeah, for this week, I'm actually I've actually posted out my this trading idea on the trading view. So trading idea, yeah, as usual, I'm talking about USD, then pound dollar, then euro pound, and then euro cat. Okay, so move on to USD first. So USD, it can be quite obvious that it has been on a down move for quite some time. And then if you were to go down to a lower time frame, okay, maybe back to the 1 hourly. So you do see that here is a pretty strong support resistance, or you can call it supply demand zone. And if you were to extend it further outwards, you do see that right now we are actually pretty near to this area. So this could be a place for rebound, but as of Friday, we haven't seen anything substantial yet for it to bounce up. Okay, so you can see this was the first wave down, then a pullback, second wave, third wave, and this might be the fourth one, and also it might be the last one to cause a retracement upwards right? That's what I think could be happening, because usually yeah, I mean, if let's say the downward move is of, let's say, the fourth one or the fifth one, you need to be extra cautious about shorting. So that's why on Friday itself, actually, I did have a short on not short, sorry, long on Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar. I mean, it did play out after that, but then it was like, yeah, ranging for the whole day, even the day before. So yeah, that was quite a grind, and I did took out some position, and it in the end it is still closing it up green, so that's good. So yeah, that's on the USD. And so like I mentioned, I was also quite concerned about the level that it is at, and what it will be playing out. Anyway, for this, I am looking at, if let's say this is a head and shoulder that is formed on the 1 hourly. So this is the 1 hourly chart, and if this is a head and shoulder that's for me, might be breaking down lower, and just keep in mind, if this is completely a breakdown, breakdown from this level. So two probability, I mean, if I go up back to the 1 4 hourly, then as one scenario might be it just continue going down, and if there's some pullback on the 1 hourly, then we will continue seeing more downside, or it might be having a false break and then come out all the way, forming a double bottom. Either way, I mean, yeah, or it can be reversing back up, forming double bottom, but then it go back into range again. I mean, nobody know what exactly will happen, but just for my bias now is still on the downside. Yeah, unless otherwise something else happens. So if let's say this is going to be so, if I mean if I'm still biased on the upside, then I would be looking on long for the currency that is of a stronger one, right? So the stronger one, I would say that would be pound dollar. So if there's any pullback, then I should be looking for a long on this pound dollar. So yep, that's on pound dollar. Then euro dollar. mm, Yep, I do think that it can also move higher, but the concern is over here. It is actually near to this. Yeah, it is exactly the mirror image of, or laterally inverted, or the upside down. Sorry, upside down image of the USD, rather similar. So there's also this resistance that we need to be mindful about. So that's on Euro USD. Then other than that, I mean, major wise, if you do see anything that is coming along as a long opportunity for you, yeah, I think it still can be a long, yeah, but you'll just be mindful that I have mentioned just now, it is actually very quite close to a key supply demand zone. But of course, right now, like I mentioned, it is not showing much sign of turning yet. Okay, so that's on the what you call it, US dollar, pound dollar, or basically the ranges. Okay, so that's it. And then for euro pound, so euro pound, it is not like exactly my favorite type of trading, a what you call it, setup, or the behavior of a chart that I like. I mean, but yeah, anyway, this could be it's already turning down, and I do see that there's a lower low both on the daily and the 4 hourly. So if there is any pullback in this euro pound, right, then yeah, probably should be short for me. Okay, so that's on the euro pound. And then across euro as a currency, I do see that it is it could be breaking down further. I mean, yeah, like it could be weakening further next week. Okay, I mean, if you compare with the other currency like pound, Aussies, New Zealand, Aussies dollar actually is also near to a resistance zone. Okay, so yep, and then other than that, I did mention about this Euro cat. Yeah, Euro cat. So Euro cat, yeah, it looks like it's might be flipping with this head and shoulder that's formed on the 4 hourly. So this is the 4 hourly and this is the Euro cat. So you do have a left shoulder, a head over here, the right shoulder, and it seems like it was going to break down last week, but it didn't clearly break from that level yet. So yeah, let's see what happened after which. But this is still it is an uptrend from what if you can see from this daily, but oh, too many arrows. Yeah, so you can see it's a pretty strong uptrend, but then we are also facing this double top that was created last May. Yeah, I mean this year May. Okay, so over here, then coming back to support over here. So if this support is going to give way, then probably it will be coming down further from where we are at now. Okay, so that is EuroCAD. So Euro pound, EuroCAD. That's why I was saying that Euro might be on in the flipping zone ready, and also using my indicator for the Euro, it seems like that chart is also um, yeah, showing a sign of reversing. So for the Euro Swiss franc also the same. So you can see it is like a topping pattern, but of course it is not like it's a confirmed bearish down move already, and then it's pulling back to come down. But maybe coming soon. I'm not sure, but yeah, just be mindful about that. So that's all for today's analysis, and hope that you actually learn something from the analysis for today. I think it's a pretty short one. I think it's about maybe 18 minutes. Okay. Yeah, anyway, see you all next week and have a good weekend. Bye bye.